Welcome to the RxDigita application. The RxDigita application allows you to log into Google Health, retrieve your medications, and set cyclic alarms on them. To log into the application, please click on the icon. This will bring up the SLA. Please read the SLA. If you agree with the SLA, please click Accept. This will give you an opportunity to log into Google Health and retrieve your medication list. Once you've logged in, you can see your medications and you no longer need network access. If you click on the icon again, it will simply take you to your medications list. In the event that you change your medications, here we will give an example of adding a medication. We will add S2, and if we look at our medications, we can see that S2 has now been added. By clicking the menu button and then clicking the refresh button, we're given an opportunity to log back into Google Health to retrieve the updated medication list. And here we see that S2 has now been added. When we click on a medication name, we will see the information about the medication. It's the same information that is on the Google Health website. We also notice that the alarm is not set. To set the alarm, we click on Menu, Configure Alarm. This will give us an opportunity to set the date, the time, and the periodicity. Periodicity in days, hours, and minutes. For this example, we will set an alarm to go off at 11:23 with a periodicity of 1 minute. When we click the Set Alarm button, the alarm is set, but it is disabled. We must hit the On button to enable the alarm. Once the On button has been clicked, the alarm will be enabled. We get a visual representation of this by the green bell and the next notification time. If we were to click on the name of the medication, we will see in the alarm field the next notification time and its periodicity. We'll go ahead and configure S2. We see the alarm is not set. Click on Menu, Configure Alarm. Here we can set the date, the time, and the periodicity. We will choose the time to be exactly the same as the other notification. We will set a periodicity of 2 days and 1 hour from the time that it is set. We click the On button, but nothing happens because the alarm is not set. Once we click on the Set Alarm, then we see that the alarm is set. We get a visual representation with the green bell and the next notification time. If we click on the name, we can see the alarm and the periodicities that is set. Once an alarm has been triggered, we will get 2 visual notifications, one with the name of the medication that we need to take, and the other one is in the notification window. Also, the time and the date of the next notification has been updated. So we can see in the baby aspirin, the next notification time is 11:24 with a periodicity of 1 minute. And we can see in S2, it's been set up by 2 days and 1 hour from the date that it was started. We see we have notifications waiting for us by the RxDigita notification icon. We can get to those notifications by clicking on the RxDigita notification. And we see that we have notifications for baby aspirin and S2 both at 11:23 exactly when we set them. The other way to get to the notifications is from the medication list. If we go to the menu and click on medication history, we will see all of our notifications. We see that the periodicity of baby aspirin is 1 a minute. And if we check a notification, it changes to the time that it was checked. This allows us to know when we took the medication. If we uncheck it, it goes back to the notification time. So if you check something by accident, you can uncheck it and it'll just go back to the notification time. Sometimes it's convenient to remove all of your notifications. To do this, click on the menu button, click Check All Notifications, and you'll see all the notifications are checked, and then Remove Checked. To turn an alarm off, click on the name, click on Menu, Configure Alarm, scroll all the way to the bottom, click the On/Off to the off position, and this will disable the alarm. We get a visual representation of this in the medication list with a red X through the bell. Also, the alarm will say it's disabled. If the phone is turned off, the RxDigita application will remind you of all notifications the next subsequent time you turn the phone back on. This is only a demo application for the ADC II. In the near future, RxDigita will be releasing a full-featured application with deep integration with Google Health. Thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed using the RxDigita application.